channel. My name is Cece and I'm so excited to be shooting this video from Miami. As you guys know, I just randomly woke up and decided that I was going to move to Miami, and I cannot believe I'm here. This has by far been the most scariest thing that I've done, the most stressful thing that I've done. But I am here to give you guys an empty apartment tour so that you can see where I live. I decided to do a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom because I have a dog and I just feel like we need some space. Also, I'm going to show you a few pointers that sold me on this apartment. So the first thing I want to show you guys is the lake. This lake is so serene and so beautiful, and honestly, every time I see it, I just instantly calm down. It's something about water that just makes you feel relaxed and calm and at ease. And I am an earth sign, so this is my first time actually being in a place with nature like this, and to have a lake as a backyard, I personally feel like is a flex. All of my friends thought that I was going to move to a penthouse, like really in the city, in a high-rise. I guess because my last place was a high-rise and I was living high in the sky, but this time I chose something completely different, completely just chill, you know, something to just calm my mind a little bit. I like to be a little crazy in your head, so I needed something calming. The next thing that I absolutely love about this place is I saw it when I first got here and I was like, oh my god, I cannot believe that this is the place that I chose. So it is the Buddha statue out front, and I know you guys are like, didn't you see it in pictures? I have to say that my mind was so consumed with finding a place that I was not looking at pictures of my place like that, so I kind of lucked out. But the Buddha, he's Zen and he's meditating, and that is me. You guys know that I love to meditate. If you don't know, now you know. I will go on the beach and just play my sound bowl, or I will just sit at home and play it, or sometimes I literally just love to be sitting in my own thoughts. So to move to a place that's tranquil and just calming just felt so perfect for me. And the last thing that I wanted to show you guys before I actually show you my actual apartment is the gym. What I've noticed about Miami is everyone is so motivating and uplifting and just happy. And if you walk around Miami, there's so many quotes that are telling you just keep going and shoot for your dreams and don't quit your daydream. And I just feel like seeing it embeds it into your head, right? It just changes your mental state, and our gym is the exact same way. So they have all of these beautiful quotes about pushing yourself and how you are your only limit, and I love to be surrounded by things like that I can see every single day. So those days where I do feel like crap, I can go back and look at that and just feel like, okay, everything is okay, you know? Alright, so now let's get into my apartment. You guys, I'm gonna tell you before we get up there that my closet is small. I was a little worried about it. I still am worried about it because I have to put all of my stuff in this closet, and I genuinely don't know how, but there's a will, there's a way, so we're gonna make it work, we're gonna figure it out, so let's go see it. Oh, hi guys. Okay, so welcome to the inside of my apartment. It is nothing special right now, but here, let me show you. Okay, you guys, welcome to my kitchen area. Also, by the way, I don't think you guys have ever formally met Gucci. This is Gucci. She is my little dog, and I'm obsessed with her. But this is my kitchen area. There are so many cabinets and stuff. I have no idea what I'm going to do with all these cabinets. I'm not really much of a cook, but I am about to start. I'm going to be Chef Cece in the house. Woo! Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys my living room. So here you are. of the building. I was like, honestly, she's right. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm so excited my stuff comes around tomorrow. Now for the next part, my favorite part, or should I say that for last? No, I'll show you my bedroom now, okay? Let's go. Alright you guys, so welcome to my bedroom. And to be honest, I'm not mad at it. I love it. I love the carpet. I think the carpet just brings life into my space. And now I'm going to be showing you my closets, which I'm like, I really don't want to show you guys, but I'm going to show you. Okay, so this is a huge walkway right here, and I have two closets, one on the left and one on the right. I actually love this walkway. I just feel like I can like get dressed, film, whatever here, and I love that. But here, let me show you my closet. Those are my closets. I only showed you one because they're literally exactly the same, one on one, one on the other. There's no need to waste you guys' time. But now let's get into my bathroom, which I like, but I feel like the light fixtures are a little off or something in there. I'm not sure. I might have them look at it so they can change it, because I do film like skincare tutorials as well, and I don't want the lighting to be off when it comes to my skin. Right now, everything that you see is natural light, so that's really important for me. I do like that there is a door here that I can go to the bathroom from my room, or there's also one right at the front door entrance so that if I have guests, they can also enter in through this bathroom and they're not walking in through my room. But other than that, I'm going to show you the final last thing again, which is the lake. So I'll just show you my balcony, and then that way you can get a feel for the lake. How beautiful is this? Seriously. And that is about it. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day and have an amazing day. Love you.